evening. Welcome to the 6 o'clock news. Today we're going to tell you about volcanoes and some safety tips for you and some interesting facts you might like, so don't move your remote. Here's some facts about volcanoes. First, there are small earthquakes and tremors, which are common warning signs of a volcano about to erupt. Also, animals begin to migrate and get nervous. Volcanoes most likely occur in Yellowstone National Park, so I would be aware if I was there. Will you be aware? April 15th of 1816, the worst eruption was, get ready, it was Mount Tambora. $92,000 people died. The most common damages and results from volcanoes are damaged cars, houses, and different areas.
Some safety procedures are to stay away from active volcanoes, and here are some safety tips. If you live near a volcano, keep goggles and a mask and an emergency kit, along with flashlights and a working battery operator.
The biggest eruption was in Hawaii. Smoke came out and killed 109 people. Also, here's another fun fact about volcanoes. After a volcano erupts, the lava cools down and turns into rock.
So this was all for tonight. Thanks and goodbye.